A cutting board is a durable surface used for chopping, slicing, and dicing food ingredients while protecting countertops from damage. Available in various materials like wood, plastic, or bamboo, it provides a hygienic and stable workspace for meal preparation. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect cutting board can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top cutting board that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Homee Kitchen Cutting Board 3-piece set. 3 great sizes provide plenty of versatility, and we love the rubberized pads that keep it from shifting around. The tough and durable textured surface is more blade-friendly than many other plastic options. We appreciate that it's dishwasher safe, and its handles make pulling it out of deep cabinets as easy as it gets. Reasons to buy. Dishwasher safe. Great price. Revenge use the case. Includes 3 different sized boards. Rubberized segments keep board in place. Low profile and easy to store. Textured surface helps keep items in place. Durable. No oiling or maintenance is necessary. Product 2. OXO Good Grips Carving and Cutting Board. The OXO Good Grips was a very close runner-up for our best plastic model. It only barely missed out on the Homee model, which was just a little more knife-friendly. The OXO has rubberized feet, making it the most stable plastic cutting surface we have ever seen. We also appreciate its price point and durability. Reasons to buy. Rubberized feet help hold it in place. One of the most stable plastic boards out there. Smooth surfaces clean easily and resist staining. Dishwasher friendly. No maintenance required. Product 3. Greener Chef Bamboo Extra Large Cutting Board. It resisted staining and splintering better than any other bamboo option and was thinner and easier to store. The main downside is that it isn't nearly as blade-friendly as hardwood options, though still not as harsh as a composite board. As with any wood board, you should oil your board around once a month. But we found this model was more forgiving in this regard. The Greener Chef is perfect for someone who wants something more antibacterial than a plastic board, but doesn't want to deal with a thick, heavy, expensive hardwood model. Reasons to buy. Naturally antimicrobial. Lower profile than hardwood boards. Lightweight and easy to store. Far less expensive than hardwood models. More long-lasting than plastic. Product 4. Epicurian Kitchen Series 8x 16-inch. The Epicurian board is versatile, easy to clean, and boasts a low-profile design. It's made of a durable and ultra-hard composite material that resists warping. It held up better than any other composite or plastic material we tested. One of the primary advantages of the hard cutting surface is that the board will have fewer gouges in its surface over time, offering fewer places for bacteria to hide. Additionally, unlike nearly all of its wood counterparts, it is dishwasher safe, making for easy cleanup. Considering how thin it is, the board is impressively strong. This thin design allows for easy storage, practically disappearing in your cabinet when not in use. Product 5. Farberware Plastic Cutting Board. The Farberware cutting boards are some of the longest produced and most popular plastic models on the market. They are inexpensive, dishwasher safe, resist staining, and easy to clean. They are also made of a very hard, durable material that resists deep slices better than many plastic options. That same very hard material makes the Farberware boards some of the least knife-friendly of any model on the market. They also don't resist warping in the dishwasher as well as some. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.